This is a breaking report. Tension rises over delayed in release of political detainees in South Sudan. There is growing concern in South Sudan after a fresh report emerged about an alleged plan to stop the release of political detainees in Juba. According to information reaching different political circles, President Salva Kiir Mayardit had reportedly been considering the release of key political leaders, including Dr. Riek Machar, the SPLA-IO leader, and General Akol Korkuch, together with other detainees. However, a new report suggests that this process has now been delayed after interference from a powerful political group said to be working behind the scenes. Sources claim that this group is trying to influence the president's decision and stop the release from moving forward. This development has raised serious fear among many South Sudanese citizens, political observers, and regional leaders. This development has raised serious questions. The continued detention of Dr. Machar is especially sensitive because it directly affects the peace agreement that ended the country's previous civil war. The 2018 peace deal between President Salva Kiir Mayardit and Dr. Riek Machar, the vice president, was signed to stop years of deadly fighting that left hundreds of thousands dead and displaced millions of people. Now, many people fear that delaying or refusing his release could destroy the fragile peace. So, what will happen if Kiir refuses to release Dr. Riek Machar? Well, this is where the situation becomes very dangerous. If President Salva Kiir Mayardit refused to release Dr. Riek Machar, the first major consequence is the possible collapse of the peace agreement. In fact, a similar detention have already been described as putting the peace deal at risk. A recent report warned that Dr. Machar detention could effectively collapse the agreement that ended the civil war. Once the peace agreement breaks down, trust between the government and opposition forces may disappear completely. This could quickly lead to renewed violence. South Sudan has experienced this before. The civil war that began in 2013 started after political disagreement between President Salva Kiir Mayardit and Dr. Riek Machar. The conflict later turned into widespread violence across many states and communities. If Dr. Riek Machar remains in detention, many of his supporters may see it as a political attack and a violence of and violation of the peace agreement. This may push opposition forces to recognize or reorganize and mobilize. Once army groups began moving again, the country can easily slide back into civil war. The United Nations has also warned that the country could return to widespread conflict if tension continue to rise. This means fighting may spread in places like Upper Nile, Jonglei, Unity State, and other areas where tension already remains high. Another serious danger is ethnic violence. South Sudan past war was not only political but also deeply ethnic. President Salva Kiir Mayardit is widely associated with the Dinka community, while Dr. Riek Machar has strongly support among the Nuer community. During previous conflict, political dispute quickly turned into ethnic fighting and revenge attack. If Dr. Machar is not released, this may increase mistrust between communities. That kind of tension can easily trigger violence at local level. When local militias and youth groups become involved, the situation may become much harder to control later. So let's look at the economic impact in South Sudan. Another thing that may happen is economic collapse. South Sudan is already facing serious economic challenges. If war returns, oil production may be affected, road may become unsafe, and food price may rise sharply. Investor and international partner may also withdraw support. This would worsen hunger, unemployment, and poverty across the country. So here is the thing. International pressure is growing. If the refusal continues, regional bodies such as the African Union, IGAD, and the United Nations may increase pressure on the government. This can include diplomatic sanction, peace talk, and stronger international involvement. Neighboring countries may also intervene diplomatically to prevent another full-scale war. So, in simple terms, if President Salva Kiir Mayardit refused to release Dr. Machar, South Sudan risks going back to civil war. The peace agreement may collapse, political trust may disappear, ethnic tension may rise, army group may return to the battlefield, and the country may once again face death, displacement, and economic suffering. This is why many people are calling for dialogue, peace, and the immediate release of political detainees. Biagamal Guasame, Kajan report on Lincoln, Tardan and Charlotte Kajan, Dr. Machar de Jalunkaja, Canata and Shanyokumuqua de Jackaja, but Modabo, Tenako dong de Dr. Machar de Jalun. Take a just one, Chigajo Payan Link, Katisha Gor, and Nathan Contemple Pel, Tingaikumadan Le Road, which Kajuba Kir Mayardit. Dobadan de country there move forward, Kajaki and woman talk, no Makelu, Wang de Shuanganar, go and Kir. La promise not to bang, promise not to dong shibu guardian, la ka lede. Kakan konin titi nikulunde joka South Africa, guazi dane shodul walten ka shawrai ke kumete South Africa. So nate wan tong mi charge lu ki charge gono ne shachum. Kir gorono jin be your peace partner Dr. Machar bijalun. Go jen the only way and down in the country to be lojere malakaja. Mu ateshi lun jagana country ko be chuch. So no more Mishalat Kir Mayardit Guaze dan in Tetin. A young Naka Addis Ababa, Kajan African Union Summit, may Shalar with me a C5 group. And may advise a Jugano Kobi Malbabin and C5 group Kabon Dang DH, Tishar Aleka to let Kaki Malka South Sudan. A low Chirgan advisory, Kennedy Colaran advice. No. You can advise no Jina, Kobi Malbabin, Gorno Jin, Vimal, Mobi Nunkatet. Biramadana chi and Dr. Machar gore lunya aro ni yen kado brande country there when yam kaje ko antama and which baduna luika civil war ki kore kam no kun yen karodun kana mo shebogwa ka which na mo chalat Kir Mayardit ningwa nere C5 group mo C5 group meeting melat kare which ka Addis Ababa Chakir chaja advice of South Africa chalare Ramaphosa chawaitin ajene Kir normal Lunya all the political detainees chalare me chalare ngwada machikana te uchike kana gwikatada dien Johanyo jungne Nigeria ne bano lade mishikana moko bi malwa kuleben so on that moment me shaka lade no chike chewe gwa ba we ka juba ba lo jok ba we ka juba ba detail di alba ko lade bene dol connect bonda me chewe ka juba chewe tuogo no chete ka gabne to ngwan te shiro dien walat Jene chunen chayu lad aten wega aten yango telamal ki telram ba goro ba luin ko reng ma chare yan je ka dure dane che dure ka nasar ka jano chaga ju gore de ngai ke jeno meji tuogo lengu but me lat ka gwara ne na ko ki mal kai chura na ke personal ngade wo te reng ma cham lo gene a chang bi ako yen che mi cha yen on teme mal te de benong tel mi chale mal chi aten wega aten lat gwa semen wo ne na Agenda Machar she con be la balloon, be la native contila judges, kinete contentere lock. La Gilwong, a calara mono barring Machar, a balloon ke chablin. So a Kenichi gonna palga, you can palgilok. Kachi jandana like a tom no rigadan to a week South Sudan kel, no broader captionga, yen yora wakel, ka queer ni Dr. Machar. Misha new kel, and then be a dove down the Yam Kajabiachu relica. When a more can sit well. Kuma Kir Mayardit a canano young Machar she ne blun. Namo jen kulu woko bialing ano she Kir may she can look in ayu bit. And then coachy cum United Nations you can go okay an kum so Sudan la kan promise te bang te chicken go gur la kan kalat ko la kan ala ra ngod ne wone kamulus ne male da ne cha tan ka wal ngod ku kan ku ma spela ku kan ata gwanetin kon te gutin ma kan ka nyen kan ka ko kan displace ka ne kan civilian bonne ne re kon la jiwe ja gu je no kum so Sudan te lat kan ga dial ka kai ne chicken nga je no te la kan ala la ka gwar gpin bran kai ka ja wale be nyo ka ji run nyo again ki broad promise ba mal be nu na ka chang do dien che thok bu dor be je Shikum kim ya di chaje gono gwan kaika. Ajen nen yana me Shikum United Nation Embassy and Chikala no big gen ki ba muktabin ba ja gare yiki juba. Anyok chikani ko men ken te jigan ga top te jigan ga fan chikan ka ngok. Anyok ken ko ba tin kon chet ke yo la funding la ngon ke ken chikan logo no bi kan nyom top ken. Chikan kum yuna chikan kum so ran fon kan yo jugo no ne. Ko in kwar dun la diana mo. Ano bi ja fan la yen. Ko wich chachu bore do wich take natural sources. Wich take da we take a liet. So, kuja mon ka yen bu election do na bi na fan ba mo bia yukun bia ala ka bia ka Europe. Na me midit ko mi shaga jogo no yen bia Europe ka tele ka yuti ka ala kana won ko ngai kana funding den be ka international community. A kana ko na ngat kan ka. So na money che wi kuma kirim ya de che gai. Yen mi yen tedne right now che na tigo frustrated. Do dan dong de malder ben gaje our peace will come. But the only choice that Kir has right now is to release Dr. Machar so they can have dialogue. Kir de karaj. Yanta dana jidot ka Kir. Michigan gujo ka ta lunga de jok and Kir miyadi tong mi ka South Africa. So she go benyur. Jum ko kon ling and tema right now. Ko kon like a kwide. Awodi che Kir shaja mo ka warning. Kir mu kan ti Dr. Machar she goro no bielun. She goro buwe du betakaman. Ko shi gor wuidu betagamala nagana ne to kontila South Sudanese. Ko jin already take everything but ne to kontila ordinary people choose can pindul. Ko bi akulu weka election doing Dr. Machar bi right. So gwa the money ajan gwa dan te gapteten. Mrai ko na tema ajan ko kir mi hadi da ko masile top ka kan ko ndang ro no reng Machar ba lu kan ne dial konte gati jin reng Machar ko ra men jang nan ko ken. Ba ga de lu ne ti gen bu berar. You know kir tegane to core te char to jor kujimi to kwa kid le pressure jugo jeno churi yang Machar chulu yang Machar ekene chapulu ka chao dor cha jongun akir yang Machar balu ne de to kane den konti la jang te kane ichi yang Machar ichi korja to ke ron kit ke lukur bangon jimo nganu de kel la kore chi tongo wal 1991 so agenda ta dan de ten dit ken man di niken man gwan di niken kan di al chare ne aleka lo che jen tema che we kam lo gore bo kam nuere kana janga jan ta dan ler ngaru den geja wareng Machar lere ke kui development kare ka South Sudan o de mal de reten de we de jalat jan dan reten anyok kan jang pen ken tele ka successor me de gwa kin me yadi ramanan go ke adu self ke me yadi de ken kan ga ken gwa no wete mutuok tine lim ni jangam ka manan te kamo ko mu wete mi jemu kana to kan jang be beje lonka ke so na mo ameditin milaro that right now ko tene tungwan ano te bor ka gwadan ke kom dan de kim yaditin ko da kama char ba choro da ku zur ke che dietin na me ano te ka kwar ba kan jen mo go ne so Sudan awe ka first election awe ka mandana gorke ko bi malbeben ko South Sudan me dane ko independent ko jek no kana ngade no kana min ta kai election so kuje mone goro jeno de election dar ten jeno gor ke dak Machar you know te ne itimo charge gor no de ka we de kana rom ke de kana kef ka bom ashima o te ka mal gor no de ten jem ne yan ta ma ruha ke te de ngwan te wano te ja ko no de South Sudan dar te ka mal kwarte te kel ka jenu di chara mo kir mi ya di ten kwa je le influence ano jin chu dak Machar chu jolun a dak Machar atre te jen dene chu gujano point ba en kir mi ya di te ne ka te chere alaka no be George ban chega ta bande ngai gore jeno der te wi kwam borai na amrai kone ajeno charge sideline of course te ka kum kir mi ya di but kir sideline ko ngai jeno ta baram bum en kes mi te me to lo che we kwara de taban de ngai dong der ko der je so lok kira bane so ajen guyen man tam taban ka kor ninte konde che ko right ne long point kir mi yadit point kana goro bu ko right kana nga akene kir kir point kana goro bu right kana taban ko de ka dwala ka taban ko taban je ne wuja ta kamal bane ka te ka ne ka ban man bajlung jene ne tungwan no alat kan no reng machar cha ja de luin ko kui kan reng machar kan obstacle ka ke ko mi cha reng machar me ya kwan by the way ke cha ta kuin kwar mi tuok reng machar dong der win na mo cha le probability cha nga ja gwa der win bada dual ko dong te ka kwar mi der na ngen dan wi kona chi o te ka mi dong de dak no cha der no gola mi dong shi ma dan te ka tin kan editi so no bi malbe ben gore ne ideal gore lat che gor ne che gor tanat ka kwidwal ka chirmana ngai kona so che wuche jago betin mu betishunga ko te tanat gujeno reng ma charmu we kwar we jek what will happen reng ma charmu we kwar we jek mu we kwar we jek china bukwal ko right now corruption jidit te ngwan ne cha logo no bala let ka kwi ko mu wa la let na bu yobe ka kwa ka jano million of barrel na anka wa kwang na shianga crude oil and still cha na me cha goro lat keje cha goro te mal ma deben ko kuna la benefit kata chuina ka jamanin tama an ko lat crude den tikate share la ka kane content yam medan me lat ka unification of forces ka gwasi dan me che mal che ko de bene ka bende take a plan nga ja dob dan be mal be jar ka je ki be destroy ka ja kir men ya me chalat ke lele no bene dia la konen pin dak ma char be ka dil wo chet ke nyen power agreement e cha le la power sharing male dan cha tan ke 2018 cha ya pinya gwan wo banata ka power sharing alo baram kel baja kan ga kum dak ma char baram kel kan ga kum kir mi yadit kana ne ka ba muy ka position me cha blad no mo cha respect lo gor ka ja alo magwa me ji to gene jine di ale konete wano tel cha kwan dak ma char ka cha laska position ken governor ju kire to ka mu woje ka per agreement da ne cha tan cikir mi yadit cha logo no gurungot mi reng ma charo raje ka jammo jaga jam message ne cha reng ma char cha lele cha loj ka me dan me chala no mitera mu guri wo ka bi consultation bi konlat you talk to the leader of SPLIO and then mi shi agree bare bi aram mo bi ajo wo anyok dak ma cha te ka power ko baram mo no beje dil wo ke beje dil kwan a jang de ke mi yadi te ka power ko baran beje remove charan che jabi intimidate balen letke ko ram mo kwan ge ka kwinga ki par ko ma SPLIO tele ke mi yadi tele je luang ke tele je power no asikin mi yadi chana che gade intimidate chana che gade kap ko bom an o la dana dunda so chu kir chu tok kami yaramal chuene tin kon tele je SPLIO tin tanda dakrama cha chu to mo jaka janta ya dana je ne ku problem ku ji trigger that time ko sha power sharing charge violate jan ku ma SPLA under kir mi yadi ka agreement dana cha tan ogori no wa two leaders should work together any decision they have to decide together, not Kir. Agenda Kir has all the power to remove anybody, and Dr. Macha take a power ko take a handarje. Anyok na ga transitional government. Agenda ko take a transitional government no, me beto ka jaron kin dang ro jandang bakele me. Mi cha ko inquire cha jalat. Kuma kan cha ko inquire cha jalat, we mean that boyen ke next year. Ke ba ja extend bone right now. So here is the deal. Man be mal bi no re ka so Sudan alwan Dr. Macha. A chang man lad lelje long an editi to kwerga tin tama kene tan kontin yari alaka no bikan kum South Sudan bikan nyon wa the only way forward o badak ma char bajelu and win muter olga mentame o dak ma cha tere jimi ko te ne ri cha tagrar ngai kone te ko te tin tama ka panal ka unity state ka jonglei awene ka western equatoria eastern equatoria tele gwan mo gwa right nam right kono ko richig mat ke kuyun ka kwitel mal ka ko cha mal cha respect ka kira so jen mu yen woje we je ka ja che kira che char ka do badan de nat de gwen yam kije So the only way forward is to release Dr. Machar, have dialogue, and then move forward. Go by national election by the lily by the Kulalat. Name agenda and dong the yeneling, come a lero and teme. A banner more detail, banner jaka wasan be, nana genodi, wakir my yadit, take an 8 bore to Gorkan or Dekanakan. Jemnian kira tame with a red kaja. Yet Chiturbil, Jogia Werenaka Werenena. Banman Dinijan Lungone. Chad decide Panyan or Ring Machar ba dealing in the coming few days, K Jan Pai Bibene, Bereg Machar Bedil Barar. Go be Malba way, Bakula way winyam. Go Chagoro country, Benyok Lurenka, Ray Kur. Can yok ne con the kim yadi charian ling. Unification of force by Jella Chang and Dan Garu ling. Bedin Dagma Charbur in Yomrel Korean Kabu Ben Guaskel, Badin Bakarelaka. A baka gwit. So janta dan nothing. So Kobe Malben, Gordia can quadangro, big jal kel. Bijiram jidit, ku channel ku follow, ku channel ku subscribe, yatamal.